Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix HomeKit like to send you critical alerts problem in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing this type pop-up error on your iPhone lock screen that HomeKit like to send you critical alerts, let's see how can you fix the issue. So if your screen has gone stuck on this, so you have a single way or it's a very simple way. You just have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix this issue. Now to do this, just quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, just unlock your phone and use your phone without any issue like that. Or if your issues were not fixed in very first try, so you can try two again. So it will fix in up to second try or in last at third try. You will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.